number 10. There are foods which are harmful, but less so than this. Okay, so now like a third category. The waterfowl, young pigeons, dates, bread roasted in oil, or kneaded in oil. So all of this oil stuff, it's of course it's not good. Flour which has been sifted so well that no bran is left. So that's actually our white flour. It's not so good. Fish brine and pickled fish oil. So, they ought to not be eaten in quantities. So let's try to understand. So first, all of these geese and ducks, I guess, right? Young pigeons. And in olden days, of course, I mean, if you try to slaughter a pigeon and after you pluck all of the feathers off, I don't think there is much to eat there. And they say especially young pigeons. Dates. Not sure what is the problem with dates. Dates is one of the 7 species that land of Israel is blessed with. I mean, he said don't overeat them. Bread roasted with oil. Not sure. I mean, I'm not sure what is the problem. I mean, he does not explain. He just or kneaded with oil. So kneaded with oil, it's too much oil is also not good. So oil is healthy only in limited quantities. But baked oil for sure not good. And flour sifted has been sifted so well that no bran left. Okay. And the commentators say white flour, exactly. So usually like some time ago, when you want to say that somebody is rich, so you would say that this guy they eat only the white flour bread. So it's like type counselor, like he's driving Bentley and eats only 5 white flour bread. But after some times, it was when they discovered it's not so healthy, so they say buy it with bran and stuff like that. Okay. Fish brine. I mean, to drink. I mean, fish. There's no problem with these herrings and stuff like that. But fish brine and pickled fish oil. Okay. Okay. So continue. A man who is wise. Let's see, commentary number 20. Here, Rambam refers to the definition of the wise man, chapter 1, Halachah 4 and 5, as one who is ruled by intellect and not by desires. I mean, it's very useful commentary. So wise is the man, so he knows, okay, I like to eat this and that, but it's not good for me. So when he can hold himself back, that's he's called the wise man. So one more time, man who is wise overcomes his desires, is not drawn by his appetites, and eats nothing of the aforementioned unless he needs them for the medicinal reasons. Is indeed heroic. Interesting. So let's see commentary about this heroic part. Perhaps this is allusion to Avos 4:1, who is heroic, who can overcome his desire. So it's a very famous Pirkei Avot. So it says who is strong, who can fight himself and hold himself back. So as we were discussing with Moshe, it's to fight with person with himself is like stay away from food is it's not such an easy fight. Not such an easy fight. Okay. So continue Halachah number 11. One should always avoid fruits. That's right. That's a bomb. So let's see commentary. Literally fruit of the tree. Okay. Why? He should not eat them in quantity, even when when dried. And it goes without saying when they are fresh. When they are not sufficiently ripe, they are like sword to the body. Carrots too are always harmful. So let's read the commentary and we explain about the fruits. 23. There may be an intentional play of words. They are unripe fruit like a sword, right, in Hebrew, which is similar to the Hebrew karos. Okay, compares to it. Okay, so basically, even if you go in Halachah, so it says so if fruits or vegetable not sufficiently ripe, so you say shehakol on them, because that's not how people eat them, right? But if they're like green and I remember growing up and we were always outside playing in the summer, and there was somebody else's fruits, and we were unfortunately go steal the fruits and stuff like that, and we would eat it not ripe. Like it was like half green, it was so sour, and we get the stomach aches and this aches and that aches. But on the fruits like this, you don't say the blessing at all, because it's like as Rambam said, it's like a sword. It's not good. So on a poison, we don't say the blessing. So basically, fruits, don't overdo the fruits. 1 fruit, 2 fruits, one a day, like should be enough. Continue. All pickled fruits are harmful and should be eaten only sparingly in a summer weather or not in a hot climates. Not in a hot climates. Okay. Figs, grapes, and almonds are always beneficial. So figs, grapes, and almonds always beneficial. Both fresh and dried. Okay. So I mean, it's not so easy to get these fresh almonds, and I maybe saw them only a few times in my life, like they sell, and they like I don't know, like $20 a pound or so. One we eat of them as much as he requires. So almonds, there is no problem. However, he should not eat them constantly, even though they are most beneficial of the fruits. So just so add about grapes. So grapes, it's a lot of sugar, so it's also not good. It's so like unbelievable. They're so sweet. I'm not sure. Maybe they do it intentionally, but it's not. It's very not healthy. I cannot eat grapes. Maybe only a few, and that's it. Okay.